Cassandra's gonna show you guys my fit, so just hold it. Do not drop it, I swear. Okay, so we have some gold earrings, gold necklace. We have yellow tank top that we're called gold. We have Adidas shoes. Yep, and then jacket, and then black plate. So yeah. Oh, so weird. Say hi. Wait, it's going? Yeah, it is. It's recording it. This is very awkward because I have a camera out at lunch. You want to show your fit? Yeah.
Oh, this is my fit. It's black and gold. Yeah, I got black pants. There. Black pants.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Wait, what about you, Sassy?
I did a fit check at the bus stop. Yeah. Let's ask Carter.
Hi.
Here, you can hold it, take it, make it focus. It's already recording.
Okay.
Yep. Show your fit, how you're doing gold and stuff. Don't show the side.
That's about the only gold I got. Yeah. Bye.
Do you want to show your fit? Yep.
Hi. There. I'm vlogging now.
Yep, there you go.
It's really awkward. Hey, my name's Sagar, and this is my fit. So I got a Mizzou hoodie, and then I got some sweatpants. I got some cool Nike shoes. That's my fit for the day. Thank you.
Oh, your fin stuff.
Hi, I'm Eddie.
I'm Nina. I'm Piper.
I feel like I'm looking up. You look right here. Oh. Yeah. That was on video.
Vlog.
We're cool.
My bad. Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, you ready?
I just like
ready?
your hand.
Yep. Okay, we're still zooming. Still zooming. Hunter, what do you gotta say about your victory?
I did all the work.
Ava tried. I tried also. You said it was wrong. She has the report that she's doing nothing.
No, it's on you. No, don't break it. No, don't put it on me. No, it was supposed to go on you. Here, zoom.
That's Sam and on the way.
Yeah. I don't know which way it's going. Go. Oh, yep. Yep. Now I gotta do to you.
No. Do it to
Yeah.
Callan.
Yeah.
Do it to Callan.
Okay, let's just really quickly. I'll do it. Oh, that's really close. Thank you. Yep. Are you really? Where are you zooming in? Like.
Oh no, you gotta zoom out so I can actually
Oh.
get part of your face.
Okay.
Look at that big forehead. And so
I'm gonna put this on top of the air fryer. But hello everyone. Okay, hey guys. I just got back from school. I actually ate a couple snacks. But anyways, tomorrow is gonna be twin day, so then that's whenever I'm gonna see you guys next. I'm sorry, this is like it looks like a mask. But today was very like unexpected. I brought my camera and people actually wanted to be in it, so I'm hoping tomorrow will be that way too if I get it out during my classes.
And I just want to say I was productive in my classes. I did it like at the end of each class and some in the beginning before the teacher was talking. So yeah.
Tomorrow's twin day and I'm twinning with Madeline. Also, you guys gotta see some of my friends. Can you see me? Good morning guys, it is Tuesday and today is twin day and I'm also sorry, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm like tired and I have on no makeup. Okay. Anyways, okay. Anyways, I'm twinning with Madeline today, so I'll show you guys a quick fit check. Yeah, look you guys, it's 6:10. Let me just show you the fit. Okay, so we're wearing a curly ponytail, so I put it like in the middle because I don't know if it's gonna be high or low. And then she said she couldn't find her blue hoodie, but I'm wearing this one just in case. Then I have some black sweats. Mine say zoom in. zoom in, zoom in. Beauty in every color. So those are these sweats. They're just plain black. White shirt. It's cropped. But, yeah. Why am I still zooming in? And then, I wear jewelry like every day. So I'm also wearing these twisted silver hoops with my S necklace that I got for Christmas. So, yeah. Heidi wants to say some things.
There we go.
Yep.
I will not say my last name, but I'm Heidi. I'm twinning with my friend. She's not in this class.
No, me.
This is Sassy. Yeah, we have choir together. We sound pretty freaking good. This is Alyssa. She's eating some
She gave me a
Pringles.
chip.
Yeah.
You know, Bessie.
Yeah, so this is ELA. We're watching Romeo and Juliet. Oh, you guys want to see the fit? Let's get a fit check.
Fit. Yep. Yep. Okay.
And so,
Yep.
I got, on my Converse. You know, yeah, we are twinning actually. Okay. Ooh, we gotta go now.
Yep. Oh, okay. Shoot.
I shouldn't.
Take it. So today is twin day, and then Carter and Hunter are twinning. So
Yeah, we got the red shirt.
it's not even on him. You can fully dunk it.
There you go.
And then they also have blue jeans. Here, let me show. Okay. There's the fit. Yep. Yeah. Yep. You want to show your fit? Yep. Yep. We got. Yep. Yep. Okay. I'm just zooming in. Wait, it's still going.
Really?
Zooming. It's still going.
What? Hold this.
Ava, it's not focusing.
Great. It doesn't like me.
Ava, why? Ava, what happened today?
I got student.
Don't talk about your day.
It was fine.
Just take it. You're
Why?
18 now.
I don't want to take it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you hold it.
Well, that's tiring.
Well, that sounds like a you problem.
Okay. Okay. Wait, let's put it right here. Real quick.
Why?
We're gonna do the handshake.
Oh.
Pew pew.
Right on that side and right in front of me.
I love purple.
Purple.
Purple's my favorite color.
Oh.
Can be a YouTuber. No. Hey there, vlog. This is me and class in. This is me and David. David is also in class. This is the class of 2025 coming right at you. Strike with Mike and Ike's. With Mike and Ike's. And then that's the end of the vlog. I'm gonna take a lot of Mwah. Mwah. David, do the gritty thing. The thingy. Do it. You can flip it back. Okay. Yeah.
Do you have a channel for this or something?
No.
Oh, can I look at the channel?
It's on. Hi vlog. I'm wearing a matching t-shirt with Sassy, and then how do I go? Sassy, how does it go down? Okay. And I have matching black pants. Corey. And we're wearing the same mask. And we have our hair both curled.
Yeah.
So Callan, how many days are you in there for?
Just go to the very side.
For what?
Losing contact with friends.
Oh yeah. Okay, you guys. So I'm literally like breathing heavy because I was hitting Cassandra with snowballs outside. So basically, I got off the bus and I did this. It literally is so hot outside and it's winter time. Literally, let me show you something. There was the ground was covered in snow and it was cold this morning. Let me show you something. Snow? No, it's grass. Why? 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 Yeah. Today was a good day. So apparently in my ELA class, if we do all the spirit days, then we get a piece of candy on Friday. And I did a twin day with Madeline, but if she didn't really, I don't know if she knew. I didn't ponytail you guys today because I was twinning. And then look, I take it down and this is what I look like. Let me just. No, actually it kind of looks worse. Look at my shoes. You know, I got these specifically for weightlifting. You guys, I'm gonna do a video soon on what I eat in a day because I upped my calories because of weightlifting. But anyways, I've been talking way too long. I just have a lot of energy, and also a lot more people are finding out about my YouTube at school, which is a good thing. But like also like I have to keep up with my appearance now. That's my rant for today. Guys, my backpack today. Yep. Cassandra, oh, you suck. I hurt my finger. I'm bringing a crock pot. Let's see what other people do because I don't want to be the only one. Bus is coming. I can. Hey guys, so today was the backpack day, and I'm gonna try to insert pictures because I didn't get footage. But I saw a trash can, traffic cone, and stuff like that. So I also saw a toilet. That was pretty crazy. A tire too, and grocery carts. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Yeah, really crazy. Okay. Hey guys, so today's spirit day is pink and red. Yeah, so we got the pink balloon animals. Yeah. Then we got the Nicaraguan Cardinals jersey type of thing, red tank top. Yep, and that's all the red.
Okay. I'm wearing my pink shirt and then my pink leggings. I got pretty good. Wait, Carter, you gotta show everyone your pink outfit.
It's maroon, but it still works.
Yeah, it's a shade of red. Is it? Yeah. Okay, and then wait, let me show you guys Hunter. Hunter wore blue today. Womp womp womp. Yeah. Guys, oh, my glasses are crooked. There was a pebble assembly. I'll show you guys some clips from that. Hey guys, look at this. Look, say hi. Oh my God. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Sassy. You want to see yourself? Say hi. Alan, look at yourself. Alan, say hi. See yourself. Look at everyone. Oh my God! Ready? Not even in the camera. Look! Not next to you. Yeah, they look. Say hi. Say hi. On my camera.
I want a life story, kind of something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it. Yeah. Romeo, I wish I could have met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me what would Juliet do? She'd keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo. Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high? It's 2020 when nobody stars are crossing right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me.
Basically freshmen wear blue, so we're wearing blue. You know. Yeah.
Yeah, with our blue shirts.
And I got some blue leggings on.
I've had everybody, I've had like
some blue.
how many people? I've had like 3 people come up to me and be like, yeah, that's the reason why, like, we run the school and stuff. It was weird.
I've got called freshman 4 times today.
What?
For wearing blue.
Yeah, what?
Freshie.
Freshie?
Yeah, that's what I've been called too.
I haven't been told anything. It's in the dryer.
Big for me. Mine's literally like a dress. It goes to my knees.
We should take a picture.
Why did you get such a big size?
Oh yeah, do you want water bottle? Yeah, ready?
Good thumbnail. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is the fit. Oh, you guys can't see this, but we got some blue leggings. We got some blue glasses with a blue mask, and you know, our wrists. Yep, you see that fit? It's dripping.
Totally. I cannot wait to sweat.
You want to be in the vlog? So, how do you guys think the pep rally went?
Amazing, and I was taking photos of it, and I found the best embarrassing photos of the whole time.
It was
Yeah.
great.
I mean,
There was a lot, yeah.
The dances were on.
Oh my gosh. She was like,
And she
I don't
was
know.
like the 3rd hour.
For real, I want to be friends with her. Her confidence is like up here and mine is like down here. Give me some pointers. What's up guys? It is Saturday and I'm gonna bring you guys around with me on my Saturday to finish off the week vlog. So basically today's supposed to be snow coming for 600 of the people at my school, but I'm gonna do something more fun and go Sweet 16 dress shopping, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna pick up Savannah. So yeah, it's like, yeah, so we picked up the bestie. And we're armed. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so embarrassing. First of all, she sent us to a cemetery.
Okay, first of all.
A freaking cemetery. On it.
Okay, it took us to a cemetery.
Took us to a cemetery. And then I found out that I didn't like shave my armpits and I'm gonna be trying on dresses. So I had to go into her house and shave my armpits. I'm surprised like, you didn't tell Leanna because she
I did tell her.
She probably was like, bruh.
I texted her. No, I told Leanna was right next to me when you said I need a razor. Like, do you have a razor? I'm like, huh? And she was in the bathroom. And I was like, Leanna, I need to go in the linen closet. She was like, what? And I was like, Sassy asked for a razor, and she was like, huh? And she was like, are you giving her your razor? And I'm like, no. Sweet 16. Good job. Like wow factor. Yeah.
Thoughts on the dress?
Definitely, probably. I like it. It doesn't really pop.
Yeah. Can I show my back? Yeah. I just shrunk like 5 inches. So we might have to go to another place because they don't have a lot in my size.
She said they don't really have a lot of things.
No.
What do you think of?
Okay, you guys, so we left Prom and Beyond because we could not find any dresses that I like there, so we're gonna go to another one that's called what? Camille Ave. And then we'll see there. I saw a really cute lavender dress, but it did not fit my back, so.
What? You suck.
Sucks. I'm gonna look at the footage Savannah did. Let's hope she was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was like a job, kept me employed, but now
I was like, no, we didn't like. Hello everyone, little story time, mate. Okay, so I was on the phone with my mom, and first of all, my mom thought it was Sunday, and she asked if I was at church. But okay, so I was on FaceTime with her, and I had it like this, like my phone, and Savannah was in the background, and she was like, hi Bella. Oh, she was like, is that Julian? I was like, that's Savannah. She was like, oh, she was calling Savannah a baby.
She was like, no, she was like, hi baby. And in Black History Month too. I feel so discriminated against. I'm joking. Why am I so unfocused? Again, only in Black History Month, huh?
Yeah, that's the story time. Whoa. Whoa, it's staying right there.
How can water expire?
They have to put an expiration date on everything. Like Twinkies, they don't expire, but they have an expiration date.
Ew, how does Twinkies expire?
Twinkies taste like butt.
Reach. How do you know a butt?
Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, where I
Here. So this is another one, but it's a no. Okay guys, so this looks like really cheap fabric, and then it's like really, so no, again. So I didn't find anything in there, so we're probably gonna go to Bitty Bitty Bum Bum because I couldn't find anything, so.
Romeo, I want my Romeo, yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo, she keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo.
You want me to say hi?
Yeah.
How do I look? Where am I looking? Right here?
Right here, yeah.
Oh, hi everybody. She wants you to say hi on her. Hey, Grandma Dawn here. We're at the Mexican restaurant. I'm gonna turn you back to sassy.
Yeah, because we're gonna go to Bitty Bitty Bum Bum after we eat because it's right now.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, get me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would.
Okay, I got the taco salad, and you guys, real quick, comment down below what you think Savannah got. Okay, what did you get? Pasta quesadilla with chicken.
Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, I want my Romeo, yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo.
Hey guys, so it's now like a week later, but since we didn't find any dresses next time, did I say next time? Oh, last time, sorry. And then this time Savannah's not gonna be with us. So yeah, the last clip you saw was me doing this because Savannah wasn't there, so.
To go and set the bar so high. It's 2020 when nobody starts across and right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly more than IG. I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could have met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo, Romeo, Romeo.
Okay, you guys, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and once we get to 100 subscribers, be looking out on my Instagram. Go follow it now, because there will be a small little giveaway because it's me, okay? So yeah, go follow me on TikTok, Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you at 100 subscribers, or so close to, okay?